Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 3392, count subarrays of length 3 with a condition. So we're given an integer array nums and we need to return the number of subarrays of length 3 such that the sum of the first and third numbers equals exactly half of the second number. So first, remember that subarrays consists of consecutive indices. For example, if we have this array, we need to check first these 3 elements, and then these 3 elements, and then these 3 elements. Okay, so in this case, this is the only valid subarray, so the result for this one is 1. Now, time complexity for this approach will be big O of n, and space complexity will be big O of 1. Okay, so now let's go with the code. First, we'll say n equals length of nums, and result equals 0. And for I in range from 2 up to n, here we can apply our brute force approach and say if nums at I minus 1 modded by 2 equals 0. So if the middle number is even, this means that we can divide it exactly in half as the problem requests. So if this is true and nums at I minus 2 plus nums at I equals nums at I minus 1 divided by 2. If this is true, we can add 1 to the result. And finally, we return the result. So this is the entire code, and now let's see if this works. As you can see here, this works. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.